Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about a really cool tool called Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a cloud-based platform that helps you manage your work, projects, and tasks. It's a really powerful tool that can be used by teams of all sizes. In this video, I'm going to be answering the question, which company uses Smartsheet? I'll also be taking a look at some of the other features of Smartsheet, and I'll show you how you can use it to improve your productivity. So, which company uses Smartsheet? Well, the answer is actually quite a few. Smartsheet is used by a wide variety of companies, including Fortune 500 companies. Many of the world's largest companies use Smartsheet to manage their projects and tasks. Government agencies. Smartsheet is used by a number of government agencies, including the Department of Defense and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Nonprofit organizations. Smartsheet is used by a number of nonprofit organizations, including the American Red Cross and the Salvation Army. Small businesses. Smartsheet is also used by small businesses. In fact, Smartsheet is a great tool for small businesses because it's easy to use and affordable. So, as you can see, Smartsheet is used by a wide variety of companies. This is because Smartsheet is a very versatile tool that can be used to manage a wide variety of projects and tasks. Now that we know which companies use Smartsheet, let's take a look at some of the other features of Smartsheet. Smartsheet features. Drag-and-drop interface. Smartsheet has a drag-and-drop interface that makes it easy to create and customize sheets. Workflow automation. Smartsheet can automate workflows, which can help you save time and improve efficiency. Reporting and dashboards. Smartsheet can generate reports and dashboards that give you a quick overview of your work. Collaboration. Smartsheet allows you to collaborate with others on your sheets. Integration with other apps. Smartsheet integrates with a number of other apps, including Microsoft Office, Google Drive, and Slack. How to use Smartsheet to improve your productivity. Now that we know some of the features of Smartsheet, let's talk about how you can use it to improve your productivity. Here are a few tips. Use Smartsheet to create a project plan. A project plan is a great way to keep track of your project's progress. Smartsheet makes it easy to create a project plan and track your progress against it. Use Smartsheet to manage your tasks. Smartsheet can help you keep track of your tasks and ensure that they are completed on time. Use Smartsheet to collaborate with others. Smartsheet makes it easy to collaborate with others on your projects. This can help you get more done in less time. Use Smartsheet to automate workflows. Smartsheet can help you automate workflows, which can save you time and improve efficiency. Use Smartsheet to generate reports and dashboards. Smartsheet can help you generate reports and dashboards that give you a quick overview of your work. Smartsheet is a powerful tool that can help you improve your productivity. If you're looking for a way to manage your work, projects, and tasks, I highly recommend giving Smartsheet a try. And that's it for this video. I hope you learned something about Smartsheet. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.